Aside from gram-positive cocci, we also have a certain species of fungi here, which is a yeast. No, Candida species may exist in our skin. Okay, most especially for the case of newborns. No, Candida is a common inhabitant of the excretory system of females. Urethra, particularly the urethra and the vaginal tract. So, if the newborn underwent the traditional vaginal birth process, and candida from the mother can be inoculated to the newborn. No? And one more example of microbe that can be seen in our skin is Propionibacterium, which is common cause of acne in teenagers. Alright. Also, we have bacteria that we can see in our eyes. Since the eyes is also an external body part, we expect that the majority of the microbes we can see in the skin may also be detected in the eyes. No? We don't have to worry because the eyes, even though very delicate, very soft tissue, and very a tissue that's very prone to trauma. No, for microbes, right? The eyes have lysozyme, can express lysozyme, and few nutrients may be present here, which can support the growth of the bacteria. But the lysozyme, of course, counteracts further establishment. Our nose and In our nose and throat, we have the following microbes still: the gram positives like Staphylococcus aureus and Epidermidis. Another example is Streptococcus. Streptococcus pneumoniae is actually a very common microbe, particularly in the throat, and the upper respiratory canal. We can also see other normal inhabitants such as Haemophilus and Neisseria. In the oral cavity, a variety of microbes can be seen. Gram positives and gram negatives are very diverse, no, in the oral cavity. It's actually a nice or an ideal environment because of the fact that the oral cavity, serves as the entrance or portal of entry to the gastrointestinal tract, and water is being received in the oral cavity. So we expect the microbes from the environment that contaminates the food that we eat or water we drink can be transferred inside our oral cavity. So few examples are lactic acid bacteria, lactobacillus, some soil associated bacteria like Actinomyces. We also have cariogenic bacteria, those that can cause dental caries like Bacteroides and the common Streptococcus organisms. Streptococcus and Bacteroides are common inhabitants or normal inhabitants of the oral cavity, but if they will be allowed to use much of the carbohydrates that is found in the food that we eat and transform that to acid, may destroy our enamel, no, our teeth enamel. Other types include yeasts like Candida. Okay, other bacteria like Coryn bacterium, that's CorYne bacterium, and Treponema is also another example of common microbe found in the mouth. Uh, Among all the other body parts, mouth is really an ideal and diverse environment for microbes. The large intestines, we expect a large resident microbiota population. Right? Some majority of the microbes in the large intestines are actually enteric bacteria, members of the family Enterobacteriaceae, which is a very big family, about 55 genera and above. No, so these enterics are mostly found in the large intestines of many mammals, and the most popular among all is Escherichia. So members of the enteric family we have Escherichia, Enterobacter, Proteus, Klebsiella, and Shigella. No, these are